Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at ACY Securities. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. ACY Securities was founded in 2013 as an award-winning Australian Forex broker, and they offer flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and 24-hour customer support. ACY Securities is an ASIC-regulated customer-centric broker that values openness, honesty, and transparency, and we highly recommend opening an account with them, whether you're a beginner looking for a low-risk broker or a professional seeking high-quality tools for advanced trading strategies. In 2014, ACY Securities secured a strategic partnership with OANDA, and in 2018, ACY Securities, which was originally founded as ACY Capital, acquired Synergy Financial Markets, also known as Synergy FX, which inspired a full rebranding of the company, and they also expanded their product offering in the process, which is now close to 2,000 instruments. With only $50, you can open a live trading account with ACY Securities, which will give you access to incredibly tight spreads, premium trading tools, and the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. The ACY Securities website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. All the features offered by ACY Securities are highlighted on the homepage, and you can easily view the spreads and account types they offer directly from the homepage. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with ACY Securities, simply click on the Products tab and select an instrument from the drop-down list. ACY Securities currently offers more than 50 currency pairs and ultra-tight spreads starting as low as 0 pips. For a limited time only, you can receive a 60% deposit bonus when you deposit up to $500 in your account. If you deposit $50,000 into your ACY trading account and trade the minimum required volume, you will receive a limited edition signed and framed Tim Cahill jersey, but you can choose from a variety of others, such as the Australian soccer jerseys, the Everton Football Club jerseys, or the Shanghai Greenland Shenhua Football Club jerseys. As an ACY Securities client, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, which are currently two of the most popular trading platforms in the world today. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, 21 timeframes, 38 built-in indicators, one-click trading, fundamental analysis, and more. In addition to having access to all the tools and features of the MetaTrader platforms, you will also be provided with daily reports, exclusive trade ideas, and high-quality educational material. ACY Securities also allows their clients to easily create, test, and automate different trading scenarios without using complex coding languages, using Capitalize AI, which is a powerful tool for traders and investors and allows traders to simulate, refine, and backtest their trading strategies. You will also be able to create custom, real-time notifications for your trading scenarios And if you have never automated a trading strategy before, you can use some examples from the ACY Securities Live Strategy Library. ACY Securities offers 3 flexible account types that can be funded with up to 7 base currencies. All accounts offer one-on-one services, premium quality market analysis reports, and access to leading international exchanges such as NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, and the Australian Securities Exchange. As an ACY Securities client, you can trade over 1,800 Forex pairs, indices, shares, ETFs, metals, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, and you will benefit from several commission-free instruments on all 3 account types with no deposit fees charged. The first type of account you can open with ACY Securities is the standard account, which can also be used as a swap-free account. And this is an entirely commission-free account that requires an initial minimum deposit of $50 US. The spreads on this account start at around 1 pip, and we recommend opening this account if you are a casual trader or a beginner that's already practiced with a demo account. For intermediate traders and professionals who are comfortable making bigger deposits, we recommend opening either a Pro Zero account, which requires an initial minimum deposit of $200 US, or a bespoke account, which can be activated by depositing $10,000 US. With these accounts, you can trade indices and cryptocurrencies without paying commission fees, and the spreads on both these accounts start as low as 0 pips. Unfortunately, the Pro Zero and bespoke accounts cannot be converted to swap-free accounts. Creating an account with ACY Securities may take up to 24 hours. However, it's a simple, straightforward process, and you can open an account with a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the ACY Securities homepage, and then click on the Open an Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you will want to verify your account and email address. Once you have verified your account and email, you can log in to the ACY Securities client portal, and once your account is set up and approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. Once your account has been approved and set up, the next step would be to download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with ACY Securities. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options and a simple buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and the MetaTrader platforms, ACY Securities provides a variety of helpful platform tutorial videos that cover the basics of platform functionality to help you get started. You can find these platform tutorials if you head over to the News section and click on the Platform section. With regards to educational resources, ACY Securities provides a wide variety of ebooks, trading courses, and guides for beginners and all types of traders who are looking for ways to refine their trading skills and improve their trading strategies. If you would like to learn how to navigate the markets based on major world news, how to set up your trade alerts, and what the best setup is for current markets, we recommend watching their live trading webinars. There are also plenty of in-depth articles you can read for reliable daily market analysis to help you make more informed decisions when opening and closing your trades. ACY Securities has received dozens of prestigious awards over the years, and some of their more recent awards include the Best Partnership Program in Australia of 2020, the Best Multi-Asset Broker in Australia of 2020, the Chinese Most Influential Brand Financial Institution in 2018, and a variety of others. Overall, If you would like to navigate the markets with confidence, then ACY Securities is one of the best brokers you can trade with, because they offer plenty of innovative trading tools, insightful educational resources, and a variety of articles and market analysis reports that you can use to get the most out of your trades. ACY Securities is focused on offering high-quality services, and we highly recommend opening an account with them if you are looking for a reliable broker with plenty of instruments and flexible accounts. If you are interested, be sure to open your account with ACY Securities today to claim your 60% welcome bonus for a limited time only. And that is our overview of ACY Securities. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.